Every woman will go through it, yet most don't talk about it. Hot flashes, mood swings, sleep struggles. These are not just random changes. They're signs that your body is entering a new chapter, menopause. Today, we'll uncover everything you need to know, from what really happens inside your body to how you can take control of your health and well-being during this time. Menopause is a natural biological process, not a disease. It marks the end of your menstrual cycles, officially diagnosed after you've gone 12 months without a period. It usually happens between ages 45 and 55, but it can occur earlier or later. Your ovaries slow down, producing less estrogen and progesterone, two key hormones that control your menstrual cycle, energy, and mood. And when these hormones drop, the body starts to react. That's when symptoms appear. Let's understand the 3 stages of this transition. Perimenopause. This can start several years before menopause, when periods become irregular and symptoms begin. You might feel more emotional, experience hot flashes, or notice changes in your cycle. Menopause. The exact point when you haven't had a period for 12 straight months. Postmenopause. After menopause, symptoms may ease for some women, but others continue to experience hormonal changes and bone or heart health shifts. Every woman's journey is unique, but here are the most common symptoms. Physical symptoms: hot flashes and night sweats, sudden warmth that spreads across your face, chest, and neck. Sleep problems: difficulty falling or staying asleep. Heart palpitations, sometimes from fluctuating hormones. Vaginal dryness and discomfort during intimacy. Slower metabolism and weight gain, especially around the abdomen. Emotional and mental symptoms: mood swings, irritability, anxiety, or sadness. Brain fog and forgetfulness. Loss of interest in activities or low self-esteem. These symptoms can feel overwhelming, but the good news is there are many ways to manage them. Let's talk about solutions. 1. Hormone replacement therapy, HRT. For some women, doctors recommend HRT replacing estrogen and progesterone to reduce symptoms. But it's not for everyone, and it requires proper medical guidance. 2. Non-hormonal medications. Some antidepressants or herbal treatments may ease symptoms like hot flashes or mood swings. 3. Vaginal estrogen creams. For dryness and discomfort, safe and effective for many. Always discuss these options with a qualified healthcare provider. You can ease menopause naturally by focusing on lifestyle changes. Eat smart. Add calcium, vitamin D, leafy greens, fish, and whole grains. Stay active. Exercise strengthens bones and boosts mood. Manage stress. Yoga, meditation, and deep breathing help balance hormones naturally. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water. It reduces bloating and hot flashes. Sleep hygiene. Keep a cool room, avoid caffeine before bed, and follow a bedtime routine. These small changes create big results over time. Menopause isn't just physical, it's emotional. Talk about it. Connect with other women. You are not alone. Joining support groups or speaking with a counselor can help you feel understood and supported. Menopause isn't the end, it's a new beginning. A time to rediscover yourself, your strength, and your health. Take care of your body, nurture your mind, and don't be afraid to seek help when you need it. You deserve to feel balanced, confident, and beautiful at every age.